Jeff, how risky is it for the former president to go in front of the cameras every day and complain like this?
I don't think it's that risky. This has been his strategy from the beginning. I mean, he hasn't had to go to all these court proceedings in the 4 cases against him, but he goes and protests that he's being railroaded, this is an all unfair prosecutions. This is how he's running for president. He's using this case as well. I think, he's doing pretty well in the polls. That's about his presidential campaign. That's not really about this jury selection.
Jennifer, the former president posted on a social media site yesterday about a Fox host saying they're catching undercover liberal activists lying to the judge in order to get on the Trump jury. Jeff had made the argument last night that it's one thing to trash Michael Cohen or a public figure, but to go after a juror like this. Does it matter that Trump is quoting someone else? I mean, in terms of a potential effect on a gag order?
No, he's not supposed to repost things either that do what he's prohibited from doing, which includes intimidating, talking about the jurors. So he has violated this partial gag order multiple times with comments about witnesses and with this comment about jurors. And next Tuesday, the judge is holding a hearing to figure out what he's going to do about it. And that's really the big question here.
I'm sorry for interrupting. I'm sorry that the judge is waiting till Tuesday to do this.
You think he should do it sooner?
Absolutely. I mean, because Trump is violating this gag order every day. And the thing about the jury is so dangerous because, those people are the ones most worried about publicity and most worried that, someone's going to come after them. The fact that he's letting this linger and let Trump, continue on social media on this issue for another, 4 days is dangerous to the process.
Jill, do you think it likely that maybe other jurors, as sort of the reality starts to sink in of what they are going to be seated for, that they might try to get dismissed?
I mean, I think that's a fair possibility that the jurors are paying attention. They already know once they walk into the room, they know that it's Trump. They know that that there have been threats against various people, judges and people who've testified, and so they know that walking in the door. But it sounded like the oncology nurse, it did kind of sink in once she left and started to see things being posted.
Well, it also sounded like relatives of her or friends were reaching out to her saying, "Are you, identified her?"
Right, and there's nothing the court can do about that. It's just that, with social media, and it's so easy for a name of a juror to go viral very quickly that I'm just worried that's going to happen, and I'm sure the judge is worried about it. But once it's done, there's not much you can do. That's why I think he's going to have 6 alternates,
and
which is a lot.
And once they're seated and the trial begins, I mean, 2 weeks in, if a juror gets revealed and they're upset, is there anything they can do about it?
Nothing. All you can do is replace them with an alternate, but you can't come up with more alternates, and you need 12.
If you lose your alternates, it's over. Yeah. It's a mistrial.
Well, it would be a mistrial. Wow. Okay. Jennifer Rogers, thank you so much. Jeff Toobin as well. Jill Huntley-Taylor, thank you. Appreciate it. More now on how the trial judge is conducting proceedings so far and the tempo he seems to be setting for it all. For that, we're joined by Johnny Jones III, former Chief Judge for the U.S. Middle District of Pennsylvania. Judge Jones, how do you think Judge Merchan is handling the trial so far, and the fact that the jury, aside from several more alternates, have already been seated?
I think he's doing a good job, Anderson. These are hard cases at the beginning because the lawyers tend to spar, and there's a lot of kind of combat at the beginning, and lawyers tend to be too clinical at times in what they do in jury selection. And then after a while, it sort of collapses of its own weight. You may have seen that today. I have to say, if they get the whole jury picked tomorrow, then he's done a great job getting it done this week.
The 2 jurors were dismissed today, as we talked about, one because concerns her identity had figured out. The judge asked the media to refrain from describing jurors by physical descriptions, not disclose their current and past employers. What happens? Do you worry that details will leak out? I mean, as Jeff was saying, it is very easy for some unscrupulous person to put information out there.
Inevitably, I'm afraid that as Jeff Toobin said, things will leak out, and there's not much you can do about that other than pick alternate jurors. I mean, it's going to frighten jurors who are on this panel if things start to bubble up about them, given the tenor of the times, the threats, the passions that are evoked in this election. You know, it could very well happen, and I understand why the judge excused, in particular, the juror who felt that she was outed today. I think the judge is trying to thread the needle in terms of his admonitions and orders to the media. Not everybody loves that, but you know, I think he's doing the best he can. And largely, I think the media has been responsible.
The prosecution's saying they're not going to turn over their witness list to the defense. It doesn't seem like the judge is going to force them to. Does that surprise? Is that appropriate?
Well, there's a distinction there, Anderson, because they've turned the witness list over. They have to do that. What I understand they're doing is saying we're not going to give you the order of witnesses, which would start a tweet storm at the beginning of the trial. You know, I heard Jeff say that the judge should have admonished Trump sooner. You know, it's a balance. He's trying to get the jury picked, and he doesn't want to have a sideshow. But if you know they announce the witnesses for Monday morning, you can bet that there's a high potential that over the weekend there could be tweets and other, not just from Trump, but from allies about particular witnesses. And I think the judge is letting the prosecution avoid walking into that sort of nightmare scenario.
Do you think the former president has already violated the gag order?
You know, it's interesting. As your panel just said, what he's doing is publishing what other people say. Technically, yes, I think he is violating the gag order when he does it. He's going to claim that he's not. He's entitled to his due process. I think what's going to happen on Tuesday, Anderson, is they're going to convene something. The judge is going to tie that up and say, look, there's no distinction between you posting and you posting yourself, your own ideas, and you posting what someone else said, and you're going to have to stop. So he's probably going to admonish him. I doubt that he's going to hold him in contempt, but you know, he's going to draw the lines even in a clearer way, so that the former president understands exactly what he can and can't do. We'll see where he goes from there.
Judge Jones, thanks so much.